Hey. Well, I should have. Joshua. Joshua. Thank you.
What transpired today after his arraignment? What is the next level where we are at?
Well, the defendant was arraigned today on an amended charge. We amended the charge, so the charge now has 5 counts. He took his plea and pleaded not guilty. So after that, applications were introduced. They filed an application for bail, which we did not oppose. However, there was other applications. They sought to quash the charge. They have another application requesting for documents, which we opposed. So the court took all the applications and adjourned the matter to 18, 19, 20th of May for ruling and continuation and trial. So we opened our case on the 18th of May. So the court has fixed 3 days, and the court magnanimously accelerated hearing. So there's another for accelerated hearing of this matter. So it's been fixed for 18, 19, 20th of May for hearing.
So sorry to cut you. Could you just run us through what are the new counts that were added into the amended?
Well, I've given a copy. I'm going to give you a copy, so you can snap it and then look at it yourself. There are 5, so I can't be reciting them here, but I'll give you a copy.
All right. Thank you. Does someone have your full name?
My name is Oluwade.
Counsel
to the prosecution.
Sorry, before you go, sir, I just have one last question now. You informed the court that you intend to bring 2 witnesses, and these witnesses, the identity of these witnesses should be concealed for the fear of their families being attacked. So, can we get a broader view of how many witnesses you intend bringing?
No. What I said, I filed an application to conceal the identity of the DSS witnesses. We have more than 2 witnesses, but the witnesses coming from the DSS, the law permits us to bring an application before the court to shield them. So that was what we did. And so we don't want to recant it because we've argued it and then the courts are reserved for ruling. So I don't want to talk about it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.